Welcome to our guide on appointment scheduling. Juggling life demands with booking doctor's visits can be daunting, but we're here to help. I'm going to share insider tips to manage your family's unique healthcare needs, from vaccines to sports physicals, efficiently. Whether you're a busy parent, a caregiver for elderly relatives, or someone aiming to streamline your healthcare routine, this guide is your key to success. Dive in to discover strategies that save time, reduce stress, and ensure timely care for your family. Let's transform the chaos of scheduling into well-planned appointments. All right, so here's a few of our tips and tricks for scheduling appointments. Make sure that you call early to schedule your preferred slots. Being flexible with dates and times can also be beneficial. Online booking systems show real-time availability, which allows you to book without calling. If you prefer less busy times, make sure you schedule during off-peak hours. And building rapport with office staff could help you in a pinch. Know your schedule and prioritize based on urgency for a smoother process. Have all necessary information handy. Use patient portals to request and track appointments without calls. Be succinct when setting appointments to avoid confusion. For families, here are a few tips for booking appointments to help it feel less overwhelming. Bundle appointments to save time and avoid interfering with your kids' routines. Prepare children for doctor's visits and bring entertainment for waiting times. Pack snacks for longer waits and inform the office in advance if your child has special needs. Schedule early morning or late afternoon slots to minimize crowding. Keep a health journal to track symptoms and questions and regularly update your contact information with the doctor's office. Some additional tips for building a great doctor-patient relationship: respect their time, arrive on time, and if you have to cancel, try not to do it last minute. Make sure you're clear on communication. Offices should offer clear appointment booking instructions. Patients should convey their availability and needs, and don't be afraid to give feedback. Offices need patient improvement suggestions. Provide constructive feedback when necessary. By implementing these strategies, both doctors' offices and patients can experience a more streamlined, efficient, and satisfying appointment scheduling process. I hope this was helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more healthcare and wellness tips like this.